Join us on one of India's great culinary adventures.
Highlights are going to include, well, obviously that, but also some amazing street food, the best restaurants in India, and just a whole lot of culture, history, heritage and fun.
And one thing left to say, let the eating begin.
Or as I like to say in English, let the eating begin.
A couple of things you notice about India, there's traffic and then there's traffic. I mean, it's a busy place.
I first came here to India in 1989. I actually came to Agra to see the Taj, and it's an amazing, ever unfolding, spectacular place.
When people ask me about India, I always say to them the first thing, don't have any preconceptions. And the diversity, to be honest, is something you've probably never experienced in your life. So we stopped at a little paratha shop. This is really well known. Vegetable paratha, which is only available in the winter. So seasonal vegetables. And you can hear Preston in the background. He loves it.
Oh my God, that's so good.
That's my favorite.
That is amazing.
Yeah.
So banana, jaggery, a little bit of chili.
And so on. Yeah.
If this is your first time coming to India, what we've created is a trip that will have enough relaxation, whether it's sitting by the pool and enjoying the weather and this spectacular view like this, whether it's out there in amongst the maze and network of tiny little alleys, tasting something truly delicious and truly unique in the old town of Delhi, or going to Jaipur and seeing the amazing beauty of the architecture there, and just getting a little sense of why this corner of India is so incredibly popular.
Look at that. You know a good charwala, a good tea maker, when they do it in front of you, they're cooking it, they're boiling it, they're tasting it.
For 1 hour they remained buried in the earth. Look at the earth there. Then we dig it out.
All those things that you're worrying about, is it safe to eat the food? Is it safe to walk around on the streets? How do I get from A to B? What do I go and see? All of those things we're going to look after for you. And hopefully give you a little window into this beautiful country that is going to make you want to come back again and again.
One of the questions we're always asked is, what's your favourite Indian dish? And my response is always, what's your favourite European dish? Because to see India as one cuisine is to underestimate the culinary breadth and richness of this unbelievable country.
And why is food changing? What I'm loving is that all these young chefs that have gained experience from all over the world have come back to India, and there are some fantastic restaurants, young chefs that are taking Indian food, or more specifically, Indian regional food, in completely new directions. A fresh approach to an old recipe or a indigenous ingredient. If you're a foodie, there is no place on earth like India. When you come on our tour, not only do you go to Jama Masjid and the old Red Fort, but
you also come to wander around 300-year-old gullies like this. We're going to see amazing stuff, you're going to learn amazing stuff.
And we're going to eat a lot of delicious food.
Come join us.